Hi friends, welcome to HR Core channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the important aspects in the HR, that is performance appraisal system, which is very inevitable to any organization. However, this is a very vast area and case to case application of this particular performance appraisal system may vary from company to company. A performance appraisal is a regular review of an employee's performance and his contribution to the company. It is also known as monthly reviews, annual reviews, quarterly reviews, etc. Let us now discuss what are the benefits of performance appraisal in an organization. Number one is individual performance influences how the company and the team is doing. Number two is it clarifies employees' role and stakes in the organization. Self development is the most important benefit for an employee. It always motivates the employees if it is supported by good merits and compensation package. Similarly, those who lag behind can be found out and penalized. It provides employees to discuss with the management and plan for their future. It helps management to identify the underperformers and to develop them by giving adequate training and development. Appraisal records can be kept in the HR department for future reference. Now we will examine some of the performance appraisal systems followed by companies. The first one is MBO, Management by Objectives. Actually, in this method, managers and employees they will together discuss the objectives of the companies and they will plan it for a specific period. After setting the goals, they will together discuss the progress and they will monitor the progress. The employees are judged by the result of the progress. Next one is 360-degree performance appraisal systems. Employees' feedbacks are collected from the multidimensional feedbacks from the employees' circle of influences like managers, customers, peers, and all groups. This will eliminate bias. This is one of the best method of performance appraisal systems. Some of the companies are following the three-tier performance appraisal system. The three-tier performance appraisal systems, there is self-appraisal, appraisal from the immediate supervisor, appraisal from the managers, and finally from the directors and all that. In this particular case, subjective elements may fall in. Hence, this is not an accurate method for assessing an employee. Some companies are following assessment-centric method. In this particular case, employees will get a picture how others are observing them. So based on that, the rating scale and yardstick to be made to assess the employees. There is psychological appraisals also. In this particular case, all the hidden talents of the employees can be found out through discussions, counseling and all that. Their major skills can be identified, their actual potential can be identified, their emotional quotients can be identified. Like that, we can judge an employee as and his overall personality. Employees' internal traits also can be analyzed through this method. Now, what are the results of the performance appraisal system for a company? Because we can identify the potential of the individuals and all that, then we can place the right man into the right job. We can identify the strength and weaknesses of an employee, and we can make utilize the training programs to develop them. A productive employee is always an asset for the company. After the performance appraisal systems, after identifying his weaknesses and strength, we can develop him, then he will be an asset to the company. For the company's point of view, the business goals can be achieved through a very good performance appraisal system by assessing the employees. By they can increase the productivity, they can increase the business objectives and all that. The accountability of the human assets can be improved and the right person can be placed in the right jobs. Today we discuss the various aspects of performance appraisal systems to be implemented in a company. We thank you for watching this video and we will be coming back with another video soon.